Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready to practice multiple meaning words? All right. The first thing you're going to do is put your name. Pause the video and write your name. The next thing you're going to do is read each word. Then you will color, cut, and glue the two pictures that matches the word. Here we go. Cap. Which two pictures both mean cap? Tag. Which two pictures mean tag? Fish. Which two pictures both mean fish? And bug. Which two pictures both mean bug? Go ahead, color these pictures the best that you can, stay on the line, cut them out, and then glue them where they go. And if you don't remember what the word is, you can back up, rewind the video, and listen to me read the words again. Do your best and put it on Seesaw for your teacher. Have fun!